Good evening, everybody. It's August 12th, 2021. Let's take a look at what Bitcoin is doing here. It seems like Binance must be doing some updating or something. I think the ticker price is frozen here. It's actually at about 45,100 right now on Coinbase. But this is the chart that I have all of my drawings on, so I want to use this anyway. All right. So previous to this little possible double top here, I was looking for this to be the third wave anywhere in this area right here, and then fourth wave to come down and hold this green box, and then progress upwards for one final move up to complete this blue 5, somewhere between 47.7 and 48.9. So that is still a possibility. This morning I updated and said that this double top had confirmed by breaking down this neckline level of 46 or 44,600, and we did break down and retested right here, and it looked like we were going to continue downwards, but now we've broken back above it. So this has gotten much messier here. And frankly, I've been relying a lot more on Elliott wave theory than anything else recently, and this might be a good example why. If this actually goes up and destroys this double top and proceeds upwards to this one final high, that'll be a very good example of why I've been relying on it so heavily. But I could not ignore the fact that this was a very obvious double top. I mean, that rejected at almost exactly the same level there. There's a clear neckline here and a clear neckline breakdown. So we still may see that reject downwards, but it's certainly a messier area that we're dealing with right now. So we have support here, support a little lower there, and then a whole bunch of support on these hourly candles anyway right here, and that's about the level we're at right now, about 45,100, like I said on the Coinbase chart. So all this support is now potential resistance. So even though that was the neckline, it may be coming up to just test a little bit higher and then reject down. We are just going to have to wait and see, to be honest. But on the shorts, the stop is above these highs. Because that just basically invalidates that it's a double top. So that's where I still have my stops on the shorts that I have entered, and those shorts are basically hedges. I'm still long on Ethereum, and I've got some other alts that I'm holding. ADA I think has a little higher to go, stuff like that. But in regards to Bitcoin itself, I wanted to take that short as a hedge against the other long positions and as a hedge against my spot Bitcoin holdings. I have sold some of my spot Bitcoin in this area, and I'm looking to sell some more if we do get this higher high. And I'll probably try to reshort again somewhere in this area, but I will wait for confirmation. I'm not just going to set limit shorts in this area, because it could extend. There's really no telling how high it could extend. It could go all the way to 52 or whatever if it wanted to really go crazy. But this 47.7 to 48.9 is really the area I'm looking for if we break over that double top high. So at this point, nothing really to do except for wait. I'm sitting in my short still. I'll stop out of them above those highs, and we'll see what it does. If it continues going up, I'm happy anyway, because like I said, I've got spot Bitcoin and I've got some other longs running, so that would be fine with me. And if it crashes down, I've got my hedge shorts, so that's also fine with me. So we'll just have to see how this develops, but yeah, that's what we're looking at there. All right, have a good night, everybody. We'll see where we are in the morning.